Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Navigating the world of personal loans in Canada can be a daunting task, with a myriad of lenders and options vying for your attention. Mogo, a prominent player in the Canadian financial landscape, presents itself as a compelling choice for individuals seeking financial assistance. But what makes Mogo stand apart from the competition, and is it the right fit for your unique needs? Let's delve deeper into their personal loan offerings. Mogo positions their loans as a solution for a variety of financial goals, ranging from debt consolidation and home renovations to covering unexpected expenses. Their application process is designed to be streamlined and user-friendly, promising swift decisions and funding. Mogo emphasizes its digital-first approach, allowing applicants to manage their loan and finances conveniently online or through their mobile app. This emphasis on technological integration offers a modern, convenient experience for borrowers. A key aspect to consider when evaluating any loan is the interest rate. Mogo's interest rates are competitive within the Canadian market, though the specific rate you qualify for will depend on your individual credit history and financial profile. It's crucial to carefully review the terms and conditions, including the annual percentage rate, April, before committing to any loan agreement. Understanding the total cost of borrowing, including all fees and interest, is paramount to making an informed financial decision. Furthermore, Mogo promotes financial wellness alongside its loan products, offering tools and resources designed to help borrowers manage their finances effectively. Features like free credit score monitoring and personalized financial advice aim to empower individuals to take control of their financial well-being. This commitment to financial literacy sets Mogo apart from some lenders who solely focus on the loan transaction itself. However, as with any financial product, it's important to conduct thorough research and compare Mogo's offerings with those of other lenders. Exploring various options, including traditional banks and credit unions, will ensure you secure the most favorable terms and conditions for your specific circumstances. Don't hesitate to read reviews and testimonials from other borrowers to gain a comprehensive understanding of Mogo's strengths and weaknesses. By carefully weighing the pros and cons, you can make an informed decision about whether a Mogo personal loan aligns with your financial objectives. Remember to prioritize responsible borrowing and budget accordingly to maintain a healthy financial future.